Hello, so I would like to show you that I have here 4 bulbs. These are remaining part of from the green onion. So we already cut the green onion and now they have some roots which are drying, look like are dying, and I want to put them in the pot to let's see if they can grow. So I have this old pot which have some dry soil. So I will remove all the soil first, and I'm going to mix some of my organic compost which I have made earlier. It's like a 1-to-1. So now you can see it's very nice compost. I have make it ready for this bulb. Now put it back. So here now we'll add these bulbs. Just stand all 4 in this pot and then cover again with the remaining soil. So now you can see there all bulbs are covered with a small portion of the green part outside is we can still see them. And now the last part, should not forget that adding water here. And we have very good sunlight in this area. I hope they will start growing and will follow after some weeks or in a month how they are going. So this is another my gardening part where I am trying to grow the green onion, and hopefully they will grow. Thank you.